Hi guys, welcome back to the Finest Food channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Today we'll be making a cake only out of 3 ingredients. This is a very simple recipe. Do try it. You will need 1 packet of Oreo biscuits. You can even use a combination of any chocolate biscuits. In a mixer, grind the biscuits into a fine powder. Next, add 3/4 cups of milk, a little at a time. Mix well until it forms a pouring consistency. The last ingredient you'll need to add is half teaspoon baking soda and mix well. Line your baking tin with butter paper and pour in your batter. Preheat your oven for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius and also bake your cake for 30 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. For the chocolate ganache, you will need to add half packet of Oreos into a blender and blend it until it forms a fine powder. Add half cup milk, little by little, and stir well. Now place this mixture on a double boiler and cook until the mixture becomes smooth. Once your cake and ganache are at room temperature, you can coat the cake with the chocolate ganache and spread it out to the sides of the cake. You can decorate your finished cake with chocolate shavings or broken Oreo biscuits. And your 3-ingredient chocolate cake is ready. It's a very simple recipe. Do try it at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the Finest Food channel. And also click the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos. Bye.